Good morning. So I thought I would do a little video because this is just a little bit different to what I've done before. This was a suggestion by one of our lovely members. I won't embarrass her by saying who. And I have had so much fun designing this. There's so many possibilities and options, and I feel as though Christmas is getting a lot closer, but I'd really like to do a few of these. So if you like it, please do let me know and I'll do a few more. So this is the Noel Bunting kit. So you have the N, the O, the E, and guess what? The L. So you have your flags to make your bunting. And basically what you're going to do is, there are instructions on the website as well, basic. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to cut out your flag. Then you're going to score or fold at the top, and you've got like a little flap. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a little hem. So when you've got this cut out, you're going to fold the top bit over, and you're going to put a little bit of glue just at the edge. And what that's going to do is it's going to make a little bit of a hem for you to pop your string or your ribbon or your wire or whatever you're putting your bunting up with. So you're going to do that on each of the letters or the flags. Then I've included some extra letters. You might want to decoupage these up, so you could mat and layer them in mirror card, whatever you want to do. The letters are the same size on here, so you can literally just cut them out and put them on top if that's what you want to do, or you can create even more bunting. I'll show you in a second. So I have got, there is 4 gorgeous sheets of gingerbread men, gingerbread cookies, gingerbread latte, candy canes, sugar biscuits, cinnamon bundles, all of these to decorate your bunting with. And don't forget, if you want to make these smaller, you can do. I love these, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these out and I'm going to laminate some and use them as little toppers for my wreaths. So I'll show you those in the group when I've had a chance to do it. And then I've included a sheet of backing paper, which is the main design of the back flags, just in case you want to do any coordinating die cuts or anything using the same paper. I've included a sheet of that at the back. So I hope you like this little kit. I'm going to be working on this today, and I'll show you what it looks like in the group. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye. So I thought we'd do a little video just to show you how I'm going to cut this out and what I'm going to do to get my little hem. So I'm going to use the trimmer. If I hold it straight, I'll be able to see where I'm going. There we go. I'm just going to turn this off the bottom. You can easily do this with scissors. I'm just trying to save time by using my trimmer. Right, so there's my flag cut out, and all I'm going to do is get rid of the rubbish. I am going to Isn't it amazing when you have a small space, things just disappear. Right, so I am going to fold that over. You can use a scoreboard if you've got a scoreboard. Mine has literally just disappeared. I just had it yesterday. Goodness knows where that's gone. So there's my little flag, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop a little bit of glue just on the very outside edge. And I have my string that I'm going to be using, so just to make life easy on myself, I am going to pop that on the inside before I glue it. And I've got some of these little clips, but I also like using hair grips as well. Anything that you've got, paper clips, just to keep it together until the glue's dried, and we can slide the string along. So there's my end done. So bear with me and I'll come back when I've done all of the letters. Right, so there's all my letters done for my bunting. I'm going to spread them out so you can slide them along nice and easily, so you can put things in between to stop them, or you can put them close together. It all depends on what you're putting it on. You might be putting it on a shelf or a fireplace. You could laminate these, put these outside. There are so many options. So I'm going to have a bit of a play this afternoon, and I'm going to get some decorated. I'm going to use some ribbons, some die cut flowers. I've got some pine cones and lots of different festive bits. So stay tuned for the samples. Take care. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.